Hello, Mr. Smith. Here is some Chapter 11 practice work to get some points on my test grade. Maybe bump my grade up a little bit more. So, as you can see, we'll start with letter A. So, you can tell that a to the squared is squared. So we would have to distribute these in parentheses. So you make A. And then since it's a plus minus, we need it to equal a negative sign. So we would do plus, because this 6 has to be a plus. And we do minus, because the plus minus will get us a negative 16. So now, what we need to figure out is what factors of 16 will get us positive 6. But, as you can tell, it's plus minus, so we'd be subtracting. So, some factors of 16 are 4 and 4, and 8 and 2. So as you can tell, 4 minus 4 would equal 0, right? But 8 minus 2 would equal 6. And look at that. Perfect. That's 6 right there. So you would do plus, sorry, let me get the blue up. So you do plus 8 minus 2. And you cannot simplify anymore. So this right here would be your answer. Let's move on to letter B. As you can tell, just like problem A, this n is squared. So we make two parentheses, put n. Since it's a minus plus, we need it to equal a plus at the end, so that would be a minus minus. Now, what we need to do is figure out what factors of 40 get us negative 14, right? So if I go down here to 40, let's see what I can think of at the top of my head. So I think of 20 and 2. I also think of 10 and 4. Okay, so we have this right here. Now, what's negative 20 minus plus negative 2? That's negative 22. So that obviously wouldn't get us there. But if we did negative 10, if we start out with a minus, right? Minus 4. Like Mr. Smith always said, you have to change this to a plus and put a minus there. That equals negative 14. And look at that. Perfect. That equals negative 14. So now we make that negative 10 and 4. And you cannot simplify this anymore because n can't go into 10. Oh, forgot to add an n here. And the other n can't go into 4. So this right here would be your answer. Thank you, and this is how I figured out these problems.